me. No, I'm.
Don't record me.
I'm not.
I'm I'm landing really low too. So. Okay. I have the crossbow. Wait, you see someone? Oh, I love the crossbow. Wait. Wait, is a crossbow a sniper? Yeah. Okay. I was going to use it anyways. Yay, I got a purple one.
Oh wait, this isn't the Halloween crossbow.
No, it isn't. It's a oak.
Halloween crossbow. That's what I thought it was. That's fine, like. I have nothing. I have oh wait, I forgot I can't have this. No, you can have like granadas and stuff. I have a shotty for somebody. I have a combat for someone. Who's that?
Oh, can I have it?
We did that last night, and I quick scoped the last player. Oh, and I got the blue set in the game. This is actually find a heavy sniper, tell me. I know, because I did random. I didn't even show you I did random. I only get the blue setups.
Grand off!
I have nothing good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's very much my favorite gun ever. Oh, I found a legendary vending machine. Nice.
If there's a heavy sniper, can I have it? I have nothing.
Does anyone want my combat? I have a legendary, so.
Give me 4 bullets for it. I have chug flashes. I need 4 bullets.
Okay, there. I have a pump too. I marked it. It's up there.
Wait, does he know that we're doing shotty sniper only? Most likely. I don't think he has a weapon. Yeah, he does. Wait, no, he doesn't. He doesn't know. There's another dude.
Does Tommy gun count?
No.
I know.
It's nowhere near a shotty or a sniper.
I know.
It's an SMG. You're dumb. Yeah, he says it's an AR when it's clearly an SMG. That's an SMG. Fine.
I use it.
I know it is. I'm saying it's an AR because I use it for ARs. I don't use it for SMGs.
Same.
Literally nobody uses his ARs except for you. Guys.
Well, I use it as an AR and an SMG at the same time.
Did you get a new mic?
Me? No, I use the same mic every time.
It sounds a lot better.
It's attached to my headset, which is surround sound, so it's like $1,000. Like $500.
I killed somebody, Carson.
Not.
So there was somebody just running around, no weapon. I don't know how you can have a weapon right now. I didn't have a weapon because we're doing that one challenge.
I have shockwaves.
I'll take that. Can I just on the chest? I wonder what's in it. Oh, okay, I got her. Look, I have one name. Hold on, what gliders? No, that's fine. It's in my kind of stuff. Carson, come here. Guys, come over to me.
Okay.
I know, Carson, come on my board.
Someone on me.
Why would you bring that in? Hayden, there's kids on me. Well, yeah, that guy's over there with us. There's just kids on you. Two people can be with Norman. Because there's two people there, and then there's two people here. So it's basically fair. Dude, what is wrong with my freaking controller, dude? Oh my gosh. Should I go back to Norman? I could easily just shot him, but my controller's messed up. And it looks up, dude, whenever I'm trying to aim. So I couldn't freaking shoot. My Chuck's precious memory.
Oh, I hit him for 197. I hit him for 197. I hit him for 197. He's low. He's very low. He's campfiring up.
Come on. What he's doing.
I'm impulsing or shockwaves.
Why would you? Wait, how are you overrun already? What the? What? No, stop. Don't play the cookie. No, I never did. Oh, wow. Thank you, Ron.
Oh, I downed.
This kid's. I can't shoot him. I don't know how he has his aim right on, but my aim's never split.
How long should it be? What? Stop the video.
Title, as shotgun sniper only, and then
Part 1.